Hello guys, today we are going to continue our lesson, which is lesson 14, which is about bullish rectangle part 2. If you cannot find other lessons or part 1, you can check out in my YouTube in the playlist. You can find it. It is for beginner. Okay, so today we're going to study about bullish rectangle. What is its benefit and what its function, how to use it. Okay, so this trend is happen on sideways, so on sideways, let me explain you. Okay, so this, you see this graph is happen between this one, so it's happened between this one. This is the support, this is resistance. Why I see like that? Because this is checkpoint. This is become a support, and this is become resistance. Okay, confirm again, become support again, resistance, and then this is break. Yeah, this break up here. Okay, so the bullish rectangle happen on sideways trend, and then it break the resistance, and then you know where it's gonna be going to, and then it stop going that and fall down. Okay, that's the benefit of the bullish rectangle. Okay, so again, this line is the support. As I told you already, this is checkpoint. This is become support, and this is resistance. Okay, confirm support again, resistance, then it break the resistance, and then you know where it's going to. So it's going to this place, then it fall down. You see, fall down. Okay, so where is this rectangle take from? This rectangle take from here, from support to resistance. So you copy this one and paste it here, and you know that it will go into this place. Okay, so yeah, it go into this place. And where to buy it, where to sell it? Okay, so this chart you can buy it, support here, the price is 0.85. Yeah, 0.85 here. And if you don't want to buy here, you want wait it break here, it's okay, you can buy it here. You can buy it here. Also it confirm here, see, confirm EMA and MA cross. MA 50 is under EMA 20, so it confirm it's go up. See here. If you don't trust yourself, to buy at this point, you can wait EMA and MA cross, confirm that it go up. Okay, you can buy it here, because it cross here, you can buy it here. And then where to sell it? You can sell it here. If you think that it's going to be up again, you don't want to sell, you can wait, but it will down. You see, it will down here. And then if you are in front of computer, you will see here it cross here, confirm that it will down. If you don't sell, you will loss or something. So this is cross. EMA 50 is above EMA 20, meaning it down. See, down, 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 down. Okay. Again, this bullish rectangle happen on sideways. So you can buy it here or wait until it confirm here. Buy it here. Buy this place. Confirm here. And you can buy it. And you can sell it here. This chart going to here. Okay, sell it 0.97. You can wait it if you think it is going up again. But here, see here, it crossed it going down, so you must sell it 0.95. You see it cross here because meaning that the chart is going down. Okay, that's all the bullish rectangle. Okay, I will write it for you. This is support. Okay, this is resistance. This is resistance. You can buy it here. If you don't trust it to break the support and down, you can buy it, read it here. Okay, buy place. Buy and sell it here. Okay, so you can sell it here. That's you can get benefit. And this rectangle is happen from support to resistance. Copy this one, paste it here, and you know that it will go into this place. If you don't buy this place, you see the graph is going down, and also the EMA 50 with EMA 20 show that the graph is going down because EMA 50 is above EMA 20, so you must sell it. That's how you can use the bullish rectangle. Okay, so this chart can buy. You can confirm with EMA. EMA 20 with EMA 50. Okay, you can wait confirm this one, and later you will study about other indicators, RSI, MACD, and also wait this to confirm. But at this time I just show you only I'm sorry, and show you the chart and the EMA and MA. You also already studied about EMA and MA. Okay, hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more and comment below if you misunderstanding. Bye bye.